The customer said that this iPad has been with him for more than 3 years and he must repair it. So let's start repairing now. The first step is to turn the iPad on, put it on the heating table, and remove the screen. The second step is to feed it for 35 minutes. The third step is to use tools to disassemble the screen. The fourth step is to unscrew the bezel screws, remove the bezel, and buckle the table. The fifth step is to remove the original fingerprint. The sixth step is to install the original fingerprint on the new replacement screen. The seventh step is to clean the iPad. The eighth step is to install the screen back on the iPad. Finally, install the screen well and enter the password to test the touch. iPad Air 3 perfectly repaired.